just in front of the Karbi Club, and we are all together, opposition party as well as a student and social organization. We all come together here to send our solidarity message to our brother who was brutally killed in Dehradun, Angel Chakma, who was brutally beaten and killed in Dehradun, and that has been continuously going on for the northeastern people. So today we want to send an urgent message to the government of India to stop racial attack on the people of northeast India. We are proud Indo-Mongolian people and we are proud Indian, but the Indo-Aryan people has a different eye on us. So that character of the Indo-Aryan people didn't change their character. Our northeast brother will be always treated badly and treated several times. We will be attacked in the name of racial, in the name of our facial looks, in the name of our portrait. These are the things that we have been facing. So we want immediate arrest to the culprit as well as who is the murder of Angel Chakma. So this is a strong message from Karbi Anglong, and then we are with the Chakma brothers and sister. We stood together with the Karbi brothers and also the opposition party in Karbi Anglong and student and social organization. We all unite together and to fight and stop against our racial attack. This is a strong message. The government of India should recognize this, and government of India should try to solve this matter as urgent as possible. This is an urgent message to the government of India to stop racial attack to the people of Northeast India, be it in Delhi, be it in Chennai, be it in other part of the state of India. So this is a message from all of us.